Welcome to Looking at Legal Stuff. Today we have a PPO hearing with a man who keeps interrupting the judge to tell him repeatedly that he's leaving the state and wants nothing to do with his ex. He keeps demanding that the judge just give her a PPO because he's been at his breaking point with all the cop-calling liars, so the judge should just give her a lifetime PPO and shut her the hell up. How will the judge deal with this mess? Let's find out.
How you doing this morning?
I am good, thank you.
Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't live in Kansas no more. I left Kansas
Hang on,
as soon as I got that bond.
Hang on, Mr. Reed. Let's wait for the plaintiff to get on.
I'm working now, Judge Dries.
It's a good thing.
Yep, I'm working on a 2001 Dodge and a 2005 GMC Envoy. But I'm gonna be honest with you, Dries. I'm just sick of this. I'm fed up with it. I'm done.
Right.
Every time I turn around, she's pulling this crap.
Mr. Reed, let's wait for the petitioner. Just relax. Okay, the petitioner is here in person. We're moving her over to a room where she can join us by Zoom.
Okay. Put my coffee cup. Oh boy, where did I put my coffee cup? It's not there. Where the hell is it? I'm losing my mind today. Oh, here it is. I don't want her contacting me or reaching out to me ever again. I want to leave me alone and let me live my life. I'm doing better.
Mr. Reed, just be patient. As soon as she gets on, we'll deal with this.
Okay.
She's in the courthouse. They're moving her to a room with Zoom. Just be patient.
Okay.
Okay. This is in the District Court of Ellis County, Kansas. It is case number 25 DM 68. And you are Sherry McPhee?
Yeah.
And you are Mr. Daniel Reed?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Reed, a petition was filed for protection from abuse on April 4th, 2025. That was served on you April 18th of 2025.
Yes.
And you've seen the petition?
Yes.
Okay. And you're aware that Miss McPhee is asking for a restraining order against you?
Yep. And I don't mind it. I just don't want her contacting me no more. I want her to leave me alone. And when I go get my stuff, that'll be the last time anyone sees me in Kansas, because I'm leaving everything behind. I don't want no part of her. I don't want her near me or in my town, because I don't want to see her. I don't want to be around her. I'm done. I'm better off without her. I want to stay that way.
Okay. Mr. Reed, you understand you're entitled to a hearing if you want a hearing.
I don't want to hear. I just want this done squashed. I want to get on with my life. I'm moving to Pennsylvania in a couple weeks to go be with somebody. I'm leaving. I'm gone. I want her to leave me alone, leave my family alone, and just live her life. I live mine. I'm done. I'm done with the cops. I'm done with the lies she likes to pull. When she don't get her way, I'm done. I just want to be left
Mr. Reed, Mr. Reed. Okay, you are stipulating to the restraining order?
Yes, I just want her to leave me alone.
Okay. Hang on just a second.
Because I'm tired of her lying on me every time she gets mad at me. I've had enough of it. 5 years of it, I'm good. I'll be up to get my stuff next week. I'll have a cop with me when I get it. Then that's it.
Mr. Reed, you'll need to make sure that you have police standby. Don't just show up.
I already know that. That's what I'm going to do. Believe me.
And you
I'm
need
not
to
dealing with
arrange,
it no more.
Mr. Reed, arrange that ahead of time. Don't just
I
think you
will.
can show up at the police station and that they can find an officer to go with you. Make sure you arrange ahead of time to have a police officer standby.
Oh, I will, sir. Believe
Okay.
me.
Okay.
I will. Believe me. I don't want no part of Kansas. I don't want no part of her. I don't want no part of her family. I
Okay,
just want to live my life.
Mr. Reed, if you'll listen, I can go through this with you and we can conclude this, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll grant her the restraining order as long as she leaves me alone. I leave her alone.
Okay, Mr. Reed, this restraining order is going to be in place for 1 year
Okay.
through April 23rd, 2026. You understand that?
Yes, I'm good with that because I ain't gonna never contact her again.
Okay. Mr. Reed, this order replaces the temporary order that the court filed back on April 4th.
Yeah, 'cause on April 4th, I was already out here in Michigan.
Okay,
I got here April 2nd.
Mr. Reed, if you'll just listen,
Okay.
okay? I need you to listen to make sure you understand this.
Okay.
Okay. You are not allowed to have any contact with Miss McPhee. That's direct or indirect or through any third person. You understand that?
Thank God you honoring it. Thank
Okay,
you.
Mr. Reed, please listen. You're not allowed to in any way abuse her, molest her, interfere with her privacy rights wherever she is at. Okay?
Oh, I don't plan ever contacting her or
Okay.
going near her. I
You
don't want
cannot,
her to be near me.
you cannot threaten her or use any kind of force against her or anything that would cause her bodily harm.
I
You'll
never
also
did, never
not,
will, don't want to.
you'll also not threaten any member of her family or household.
Don't want no contact with him.
You will not come around her place of residence, her
I don't
property,
want to.
her employment, or around any of her family or household members.
I don't want to.
That's fine. Please listen. Okay? You'll have no contact with her through social media of any kind. No text messaging, no getting on Facebook, in no way contact her or refer to her, okay?
I'll have no problem with that. Just tell her, leave me the hell alone.
All
I'm
right.
done. Leave me alone. Leave my family alone. Keep my name out of her mouth.
Mr. Reed, you understand that she has sole possession of the property, the residence.
I don't care.
When you
I'm
come
not going there
back,
no more.
when you come back, you need to have police escort before going over there, okay?
That's no problem.
Okay.
I have no problem with that. As long as she leaves me the hell alone the rest of my life, I'm done. I'm done with Kansas. I'm done with her. I'm done with the lies. I'm done with her family lies. I'm doing better. Fuck them.
Mr. Reed, just calm down.
I can't calm down. I'm sick of getting lied on. That's why I'm honoring this, because I'm fed up with it. I've had enough of it. That's why I'm honoring it, because so she can leave me the hell alone, so I can get my life on track without the stress, the lies, and the cops get called over nothing I didn't do. I'm fed up with it. I had enough of 5 years of it. And I had enough finally. I'm at my breaking point with it. That's why I walked away, called my brother, said, come get me.
All right, well, hopefully you're in a better place.
I am away from that, away from the lies, away from the cop calling liars, away from the bullshit, away from her lying all the time on me. I'm done. I could do better. I deserve better. I would deserve being put down or always told, oh, if you don't do this, I'm calling the cops lying on you. I don't need that. I'm done.
Mr. Reed, what personal property do you need to pick up?
2 cowboy hats, my clothes, my stuff in the shed, my bike, my Bluetooth speaker, my hats, my 2 Confederate flags, my clothes in the house, my jackets, my TV. That's about it.
Okay, so clothing, personal property, your TV.
Yep.
Any other large items?
This is my pedal bike,
Your what?
my pedal bike, my mountain bike.
Okay. And law enforcement is directed to assist you. Make sure you contact them to arrange.
Oh, I will as soon as we get by Kansas. I'm done. I'm good. I'm gonna live my life. I'm going back to the way I was. Working in the woods, working on cars, build my life back up, achieving more. Don't have to deal with none of this no more. I'm doing better for myself. I'm done relying on people and thinking, oh, they're good and dandy, but they like to sit there and lie on me. I'm done. I've had enough. I'm at the point, a breaking point where I'm about to snap. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to be nice to you, Judge, but this was the last draw for me. I finally had enough. Are you there, Judge?
I am. Are you
Okay.
done so I can continue?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this order is effective today. It's in place for 1 year.
Okay.
You need to understand that if you violate this order, it could constitute various criminal charges.
Okay.
That includes violation of a protection order.
Okay.
If you threaten her in any way, there is criminal threat, there is assault. If you make contact, it would be considered a battery. Okay.
Yep.
If you go on her property, it could be a trespass.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for honoring this, Judge.
Residents.
You made my day.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta get my
If you
BB gun too.
if you go to the residence without the police standby, it could be considered a criminal trespass as well. You understand that?
I know all that law, but just one more thing
Yeah.
I do gotta get is my BB gun. My BB gun's in her safe in the shed.
Mr. Reed, Mr.
Yeah.
Reed, if you violate this order, it can be punished under contempt of court. Under contempt of court, you can be fined or placed in county jail. You understand that?
Yes, and I'm not gonna. I don't know why you
Okay.
need it to me because I'm not gonna violate it. I don't want no part of her. I don't know what the comprehension is. I don't want nothing to do with her at all.
Mr. Reed, if you violate the order, it could result in the order being extended for an additional year, or if it's a serious violation, the court can extend it for a lifetime restraining order. You understand that?
Yes, I want the lifetime one. I
Good.
want the lifetime one. Because I
Well-
don't want her contacting me. I don't want her contacting me. I don't want her reaching out to my family. I don't want her reaching out asking about me.
Mr. Reed, do you have a concealed carry license?
Nope.
Okay.
You don't have to with a BB gun in the state of.
Those can be, your concealed carry can be affected by these under federal law, okay?
Yeah,
So while you have this restraining order, do not carry any firearms.
I don't. I
Okay,
don't care. I don't carry no firearms. The only time I've ever shot a BB gun is like at rats.
okay, because if you're caught carrying a firearm while you have a protection from abuse order in place, that can be a federal violation of law as well as a state violation of law.
I don't
Okay.
carry it though. I
Okay,
never carry it.
don't do that.
Okay.
Okay, and you won't be able to get a concealed carry permit while you have the restraining order in place. You understand that?
Yes. And I don't care because I want a lifetime one with her because I'm
Yeah.
done. Give me a lifetime one, just please. I'm
Well,
just asking, give me a
right
lifetime
now,
one.
right now you're getting, the 1 year restraining order. Okay, and if you're living in another state, it shouldn't be an issue.
I'm way in Michigan, and I'm not ever gonna go see her. I don't want nothing to do with her. I don't want her even asking about me.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Reed. Ms. McPhee, do you have any questions about the restraining order?
Say that again.
Do you have any questions about the restraining order or about what we've done here today?
No, I'm
Okay,
good with it.
okay, you understand he is going to come get his personal property. He needs to contact law enforcement and they'll do a standby while he comes and gets his property.
Okay,
It would be helpful if you would set all his property in one place so that it is easily obtainable, okay?
okay. I'm not always home. I'm with family.
Okay.
So,
It is Mr. Reed's responsibility to contact law enforcement to arrange the standby to pick up property,
okay.
okay?
Have the cops contact me first because I'm not always home.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good.
I'm just fed up with her lies, Judge. That's why I'm saying just give it to her. Shut her the hell up. Leave me the fuck alone.
Mr. Reed, calm down. Okay, I am signing the order. This order will go to dispatch. And dispatch will enter an NCIC. And so
Okay.
it will be available to law enforcement throughout the United States. You understand that, Mr. Reed?
Yep. Yes, I do.
Okay. No contact with Miss McAfee, direct or indirect.
Okay. That's no
Okay.
problem. That's no problem. I have no use for her.
Thank you all,
Yep, bye.
and we're adjourned.